You just don't know what's going to go on in your house. And it doesn't matter whether you have a brand new house or a house that's 40 years old. The real benefit, and I keep telling everybody this, the real benefit of Shipshape is it is monitoring all those things that you don't think about. And it gives you peace of mind about what is going on in your house so that if something does go wrong, you're able to take care of it and find help, because Shipshape, through Home Assistant and folks like Arthur, can then put you in touch with someone who can come fix it for you. So, I think you want to be able to have that. So to recommend it to somebody else, absolutely. Homeownership is always about fixing the next thing. That's just part of being a homeowner, is there's a lot of wear and tear. With Shipshape, now you have someone else who's helping you watch out your house. It's doing what I really wanted it to do, which was tell me about things that I don't think about. And in fact, that's kind of what happened not too long ago, is I have leak detectors sitting in the drip pans for the HVAC units. I have heat pumps that are installed, and those units are up in the attic. This happened during some of the hottest times in the summer. So these units are running constantly and generating a tremendous amount of water that's coming out of those pumps. And even though there's a pan there, that pan can only hold so much water, and it was coming out pretty fast. So the reality is there's a good chance I would have had a hole in my ceiling from water falling. I would have never gone up there to check it. So it could have been going on for a long time and had all those issues. I mean, it's been extremely beneficial to have Shipshape. You just think about, we're talking just a few dollars a month to monitor these things. It could have easily cost a few $1,000s to have to fix a ceiling that was damaged, to tear it out, replace it, dry everything up. All those things would have been tremendously more than the few dollars a month it costs for the service.